Be honest, how many times have you uploaded a video, only to see almost no one click it? The painful truth, your thumbnail, not your content, might be the reason viewers are skipping you. In today's world, the thumbnail is your video's handshake. If it's weak, you lose the click before you even get a chance. Over 3.7 million videos are uploaded every single day. That's fierce competition for attention. A compelling thumbnail can boost your click-through rate by 3 to 6%, which could mean thousands of extra views. Thumbnails and titles are the ultimate ad for your video. Without them, even the best content stays buried. Let's start with the absolute basics. The perfect YouTube thumbnail size is 1280 by 720 pixels, with a 16:9 aspect ratio. Use JPG or PNG formats, and always keep the file size under 2 megabytes. Remember, most people watch on mobile devices, so ensure your text and visuals are bold and easy to read even on small screens. What truly makes people click? It's all about understanding human psychology. First, think about pattern interruption. Use bright contrast or unusual framing to stand out in a crowded feed. Next, leverage the curiosity gap. Tease your content without giving everything away, making viewers want to know more. Faces with strong emotions, like shock, joy, or frustration, consistently outperform plain objects. Finally, master color theory. Use high contrast and limit your palette to just 2 or 3 dominant colors for maximum impact. Now, here's a quick, actionable checklist you can copy and implement today. First, feature a bold focal subject that immediately grabs attention. Second, use a 3 to 5 word headline in huge, readable text. Third, ensure you have a clean, uncluttered background. Fourth, strategically place arrows or highlights to direct the viewer's eye. Fifth, incorporate subtle brand cues, like a color strip or a small, recognizable logo. Sixth, include an emotional face or a compelling object. Finally, leave enough white space to avoid visual clutter and maintain clarity. Don't overcomplicate the design process. Tools like Canva offer ready-made templates and brand kits that streamline your workflow. AI-powered tools, such as Thumbnail AI, can remove backgrounds, enhance faces, and apply stylish effects in a single click. Even free editors like CapCut can instantly add glow and stroke presets to your text. Focus on speed and consistency over striving for unattainable perfection. So here's your challenge. Before you upload your next video, design a fresh thumbnail using everything you've learned today. Test it, track its performance, and see the difference in your clicks. Want a shortcut to even better results? Read our full guide, link given in the description below, and download my free thumbnail master pack and subscribe to the TechFee newsletter for more cutting-edge content strategies.